This video will talk about the regulation of renin secretion. The learning outcome of this video is you should be able to describe the three primary mechanisms which regulate the renin secretion. Now, the source of circulating renin is the granular cells, which is the part of the afferent arterioles in the kidney. And there are three primary mechanisms which regulate the renin secretion, which include the changes in the perfusion pressure, the changes in the renal sympathetic discharge, and changes in the delivery of sodium chloride to the macula densa cells. We'll see one by one how these changes influence the renin secretion or control the renin secretion. Coming to the first primary mechanism, which is the change in the perfusion pressure. This occurs when the blood pressure decreases or when the blood pressure falls. There is reduced perfusion pressure within the afferent arteriole. Now, this reduced perfusion pressure is immediately sensed by the granular cells, which act as intrarenal baroreceptors. So, they respond to the changes in the reduced perfusion pressure and thereby cause the deformation of the membranes of the granular cells, which will increase the renin production. Coming to the second primary mechanism, which occurs when the blood pressure falls, there will be the vascular baroreceptors. They send the signal to the vasomotor center, and the renal sympathetic nerve activity will increase. This increased renal sympathetic discharge will activate the beta-1 adrenergic receptors on the granular cells of the afferent arteriole, and via the cyclic AMP protein kinase A dependent process will stimulate the renin secretion. So, sympathetic discharge will activate the beta-1 adrenergic receptors, and this would increase the cyclic AMP dependent process in the granular cells of the afferent arteriole, which will stimulate the renin secretion. The third mechanism is the sodium chloride in the lumen, the sodium chloride level in the lumen. So, when there is an increased delivery of sodium chloride to the macula densa cells, there will be increased uptake of sodium chloride by the macula densa cells, and this would cause the osmotic swelling of the macula densa cell. And this will change the cell volume, which in turn leads to the release of the chemical transmitter. The transmitter is identified as adenosine triphosphate or adenosine, which will act on the granular cells of the afferent arteriolar cells and thereby increase the calcium in the afferent arteriolar cells. Now, this increased calcium will inhibit the renin production. So, there will be decrease in the renin production. So, this is the third primary mechanism. So, the renin is secreted in response to three primary mechanisms which we have discussed, and the changes observed in these three primary mechanisms which will increase the renin secretion are the reduced perfusion pressure, increased renal sympathetic discharge, and decreased delivery of sodium chloride to the macula densa cells will increase the renin secretion. And thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please share and comment, and keep watching for more videos.